Item 3B is the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week resolution. Do I have a motion? I have a motion to approve. Do I have a second? And a second. All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed, nay. Ayes have it, so ordered. Ms. Johnson.
A resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 28th through August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to a specific West African ethnic group who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fair, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. Whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by U.S. Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions that the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 28th through August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Charleston County Council, A. Victor Roll, Chairman.
Thank you so much. Get this resolution because we certainly want to have people to understand and recognize the accomplishments of African Americans in our United States and in Charleston County. So thank you.
Thank you, Charleston County. I want to give all the 100 children an invitation to come join me for this year the Gullah Geechee. We get all the councils now on for shout with we next weekend right here in Charleston because it's going on. And please, everybody else will get joined. We can leave 100 children some invitation out join the too, and so that you can be part with we. So thank you for Charleston County. Now y'all, Chairman, please send an apology to the chairman of Georgetown County Council. Because I tell them I had to be in Charleston, so I couldn't be in. So please, y'all, send them
We bigger than they.
and okay. If you want to throw in an apology letter, that's on you. Okay. Thank you for having me one more again, and look forward to seeing all the 100 children next weekend right here in Charleston for this year. Thank you.